Hey guys, Rob at Highway and Heavy Parts here. Quick tip for you. If you're getting a gasket set for the engine you're working on, make sure you check everywhere for all the gaskets. A lot of times we'll get calls and guys say, hey, I got your gaskets, but it's missing this or that. What they do in these gasket sets a lot of times is you'll have parts and pieces all together in bags and separated, but some of the gaskets may end up in what looks like the bottom of the gasket box. It says open carefully, gasket set enclosed. So what they'll do a lot of times is at the bottom piece of the cardboard, they'll have gaskets underneath it. Some folks have never looked under the bottom piece of the cardboard box, and if you don't look, you may end up throwing away one of your gaskets. So when you get a gasket set, make sure you go through all the pieces of cardboard, open up the bottom, and that's where they'll stash some of the other gaskets so they don't get bent or broken. Just to make sure you get a good quality gasket set that makes it to you unharmed. So just a quick tip, check all your pieces of cardboard in your gasket set boxes before you throw your box away. Want to stay up to date with new diesel parts and tech tips from Highway and Heavy Parts? Be sure to hit the like button on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.